We guide you through how to see what apps you're downloaded from the Android Google Play Store in the fastest and simple way. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Apps and Device and tap Manage to view all installed apps. And from here, tap the installed filter and switch it to Not Installed to instantly see every app you previously downloaded using your Google account, even ones you deleted years ago. You can sort the list by name, recently added, or recently updated to quick find a specific app. Use the search bar to locate an app faster and tap any app to reinstall it in seconds. This works across all Android phones linked to the same Google account, making it perfect if you switch devices or want to recover old apps.